This video is about how to calculate regression in Microsoft Excel. But before calculation, let me explain you what the regression is. By using the regression, we can easily figure out the relationship between input variables and the output variables, and based on that relationship, we can easily predict the output of a certain process. The regression has an equation y is equal to c plus mx, where y is the output, c is the intercept, m is the slope, and x is the input. Now let's calculate that regression in Microsoft Excel. This right here is the formula, and here we are going to predict the salary of a person after the interview by using this regression equation. So y is the output, that is salary, c is the intercept, which is here 50,000, m is the slope, which is 8,000, and it will be multiplied with the input. So input is coming from the user, and that is his experience or her experience. Now let's calculate the salary, which is our output. We call it as y. We will put here equal, c is the intercept and its value is 50,000, and here is a plus sign here. So 50,000 plus m is the slope, which is 8,000 here. Then m and x are going to be multiplied, so I am putting here a parenthesis. Value of m is 8,000 rupees multiplied by x, which is experience of the candidate, and let's say if he has or she has 2 years of experience, then the salary would be this much. And this is the benefit of using regression, because we can predict the salary of a person after the interview, and we can predict anything like this. So if we vary the experience, we get different salary ranges.